elephant, big and gray, swinging his trunk all day. Sway, sway, side to side, taking a happy jungle ride. Elephant, elephant, kind and sweet, stomping softly with giant feet. Step by step, nice and slow, watching pretty flowers grow. Elephant, elephant, trumpet loud, making friends and feeling proud. Wave your trunk up to the sky, say hello as birds fly by. Elephant, elephant, time to rest, moon shines bright in the west. Close your eyes, dream away, see you on another